Hi, my name's Jim Ainsworth, and I'm the author of this book, An American's Journey to America's Soul by Seven Sons Publishing. And this is video 17 on the human spirit, and I call it Understanding Our Existence. On video 16, I talked a bit about the science of, of spirit and how it relates to humans and the planets. And I explained that there's a correspondence between the planet and human beings. The cells of a human correspond to the planet's human beings. How those cells operate, if a certain number of those cells discontinue their function, in other words, are poisoned, removed, or attacked by disease, which are other cells or viruses, which are physical animal matter, that human being, because those cells are not functioning, when a certain percentage of them stop to function, that human being's body no longer can exist. And the spirit in its astral form removes itself. Well, the same thing happens when, in our planet's experience, certain aspects of its body are no longer viable. Whether that be human beings, or it could be the animal cells of the planet, or it could be the plant cells of the planet, or even the rock cells of the planet. Well, all of these, just like human beings, have spirit, and they are all functioning beings, even the rocks. Now, I explained that the human being has 7 chakras. The human has 7 available, from the primitive red, emotional orange, the mental yellow, the green love, the vocal blue, the soul, which is like a purple, and the spirit, which is clear. Now, I mentioned these in colors rather than numbers, since the colors are the ones that emanate on the astral plane. And each of these chakras or energy centers have a different function. The humans have 7 available. Animals also have 7 available. Plants have 4 available. And rocks, minerals, have 3 available. Yes, rocks are living beings. They have 3 chakras. The first, primitive. The second, which is an orange, emotional, and the third, mental. Now, when you develop your awareness of nature, of the planet, as the Native Americans did and other primitive cultures, though I wouldn't call the Native American primitive, they were quite advanced scientifically in a lot of ways. And I have a book called A Short Account of the Destruction of Native America, and I explain in detail that destruction and their abilities and their scientific achievements, and how advanced they were, by the time the white European religious invaders arrived. Now, if a certain number of these either rocks, minerals, plants, animals are destroyed, then the planet will no longer, as in the case of a human, when its cells are destroyed, will no longer be able to exist and will cease to function. And the spirit and astral form of the spirit, the soul, and the astral form of the planet will remove itself from the physical form. That's why it is so important that we take care of our planet. We are not doing that right now. There's a great portion of humans on this planet who have a great deal of economic power, who are literally destroying this planet and doing it unconsciously and consciously because they're addicted to greed and wealth. So it's very important that those of us who are not involved in this, which makes up the great percentage of humans on this planet, that we use our voting powers to see that this destruction of our planet stops. The point being is that, like I said, everything is alive. And living, organic and non-organic, since they have spirit, if they are mistreated and destroyed, you just cannot, they will not exist. There are, not only is the planet alive as a soul, but also the ocean is alive and has a soul and has cells, which are those living entities that are within it. And if those entities are destroyed, the ocean will die. So that's all for this video 17. In video 18, I will expand on this. Have a nice day. Bye.